Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you best ways to watch Super Bowl 2026 for free. Super Bowl 2026 is coming up, and today I'm breaking down how you can watch it legally and for free. No sketchy streams, no pop ups, no risk. Let's jump right in. Free trials on streaming services. First up, we have free trials from major live TV streaming platforms. Lots of them carry the channels that broadcast the Super Bowl, and you can use their trial to watch the game for free. Here are the most common ones. YouTube TV usually offers a free trial period that includes CBS, Fox, NBC, depending on the Super Bowl broadcaster. Fobo TV, strong sports lineup and free trial. Hulu Plus Live TV, another option with a trial that includes major networks. Direct TV Stream, sometimes offers a trial promos. How it works: sign up for the free trial, add your payment method, remember to cancel before the trial ends. Watch the Super Bowl live. Tap, set a reminder to cancel if you do not want to be charged. Number 2, watch on the official network's app or website. Next, the broadcast network's own app or website. The Super Bowl will be shown on one of the major broadcast networks, CBS, NBC, Fox, depending on the year. In 2026, it's likely on Fox, which means you can watch live on the Fox Sports app or on Fox's website. Sometimes you do not even need a cable login if the app is offering a free live stream. This happens every year for big events like the Super Bowl. So before the game, just check Fox live stream on the Fox Sports app or their site. If free is available, you're good to go. Number 3, free over the air broadcast. Want to keep it old school? If you have a digital TV antenna, the Super Bowl is free over the air. No internet, no subscription, just hook up the antenna, tune to the local Fox hosting network, and you are watching legally and free. This is the simplest method, no trial signups, no payment info, pure free TV. Number 4, check for special promotions. Around big sports events, companies often temporarily unlock free streaming for viewers. Sometimes platforms like Pluto TV, Peacock, NFL Plus unlock feeds. Retailers sometimes run promos tied to free access too. So do a quick search closer to game day. It is not guaranteed, but it is worth checking. Important tips. Before we wrap up, a few important tips. Always cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to pay. Avoid illegal streams, they are risky and often low quality. Test your streaming setup before game day to avoid last minute issues. Use official apps whenever possible, best quality and reliability. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.